So, hello. This is our day 9 post-operative right partial parotidectomy. So, I am updating and recording my everyday life update for the progress na. Kung may progress ba yung nangyayari sa akin, or yung progress na wala, tinatanggap mo na lang na ganyan talaga, o I don't know. So ayan, this is me, day 9 post-operative right. This is my right partial parotidectomy. So I will show you my wound from here to here. Siya. So medyo I still cannot feel enough sensation on this side as well. Numb still, and here I know that I'm now touching my ear, pero hindi ko pa siya ma-feel. Here I can feel it na at the tip of my ears. And then I cannot still feel my lower lobe of the ear, in this one as well. If I'm touching this, I'm feeling like I'm touching them, like I'm pushing the muscle inside, pero not the skin itself. So yan, I still feel numb still. So with the complication I had, I've got right facial muscle weakness. I am doing this because my hair, I'm doing this kind of ponytail kasi I've got a bangs that keeps on irritating my eye, and I've got short hair. So let's do facial. See if something is already changed since day 0. So this is my eyebrow. I am asking my other eyebrow to raise. As you can see, what is responding is this eyelid. It can go up as much, but it cannot go down. The eyelid cannot go down. I keep on closing my eyes so that this one can be forced to be closed as well. Ayan. I don't know. I cannot see anything now. Is it closed? Or should I do like this so it can be closed completely? Ayan. So, the rolling of my eyeballs. Okay. But my eyebrow still is not responding. Unless I do this, it will go symmetrical. And this is the temporal branch nerve that is not responding to me. Next is the zygomatic branch nerve, because the facial nerves comes from here, supplying the temporal branch. Zygomatic branch. The zygomatic branch nerve still not responding. This helps. Ayan. This helps with the closing of my other eye. So, Ayan o, nag-help dapat siya to close. But still, not. Okay. And the next is my buccal nerve. Nampa din kasi dito. So yeah, the nerve that is responsible with my smile. That's why my smile is really like a joker. I don't know. Kasi, syempre, smile is everything. It will say if you are really upset, if you are annoyed, or if you are like arte-arte lang, or if you are just making faces or what. But my smile is plainly like ganyan. I don't know how will you interpret it. But if I will cover my half face, I want to give you a genuine smile. Pero ayan, this is the best smile that I can give as of the moment. Day 9. So this nerve that supplies this one, I forgot again, is not affected at all. I can do lower lip symmetrically. It's just this upper lip that is not responding. Yan. So sometimes when I talk too much, naglalaway ako because it cannot control the saliva coming out from on this side. So sometimes I'm really just wiping it. Here I can. Here I'm using yung like that just to control the coming out of the saliva from my mouth. So overall, that's my update. Day 9 of Nursely. Post-operative right partial parotidectomy. And I pray, I hope it won't be a permanent, and I'm looking forward for today, the perfect time that the Lord will bring back my facial responses on my right side. And I trust in the Lord. He's my strength. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Every day is a blessing because I'm still here, alive, healthy, and the operation was successful. I'm very thankful of that. Okay, that's all for the update for day 9. See you tomorrow. Bye.